I wanted to show you guys, so you guys know Keandra mentioned, and we showed that I was doing the Amazon videos last month now, right? Or no, at the beginning of this month, and it was throughout last month. And I'm done with that. I got all 70 of those videos. I think 75 of those videos done. So I only needed 70 to put to my Amazon storefront. If you're not following me there, it's Keys Deluxe Life over there. Just like on my Instagram and everywhere else. But I wanted to show you guys some of the things that you can get from Amazon for under $10. We shop fashion, we shop electronics, things like that. But you can get, and of course under fashion is shoes. But like you can get toiletries, you can get skincare, body care, and I love all of those things. I love the convenience of getting all of those things because a lot of this stuff came to me overnight. And so I wanted to show you guys really quickly. I got this lip oil, showing you guys the influencer hand. I got this lip oil here. It's by NYX. It's called the Fat Oil, and this is in the shade Missed Call, and I really like this. I'm looking in the mirror, y'all. It's hard to come out of the thing, like the doe foot. It's really thick, so it's good for full lips, but it's hard to come out of the container. So I'm not like too wild about that. But I love this color. Like, look at the tint. I know some of you like that Rare Beauty lip. It's a lip oil too. It's a tinted lip, like a stain, like a lip oil stain. And it just stains your lips like this. A really pretty shade of like a berry color. It's pinkish. It's so pretty. But this reminds me of it once it becomes a stain. And so it's just a lip oil, and it's very sheer, but it has just a little bit of color. You guys know those cleansing towel, like the what are those called? Clean towels or something like that. The towels, so this is one of the towels. These, so the original towels are like $17 right now on Prime. For Prime Day, they're like $14. This is gonna be over. That's gonna be over by the time you guys see this. But this is the towel, and these were only like $5. They were like under $6, I know for sure. So these are the Atraxia towels, and these are really good. They say that like even if you wash your towels multiple times, that it can still house bacteria. And so they recommend using something like this. I don't like how they fill up my wastebasket in the bathroom very fast, but I think these are worth getting because they're so soft and durable. Outside of, you know, throwing them away and having to redo your trash can all the time. But this is how big it is. It covers my whole face. And so you can do a lot. You can remove your makeup with this, put like a micellar water on this. You can use this to dry your face. This is a must-have if you're not worried about your wastebasket filling up quickly. I think I'm still gonna go back to them. I haven't really quite decided yet, but these are really great. I found out that my favorite body wash, not body wash, Lord, my favorite face wash, acne wash, is on there. It's Panoxyl. And I found out that this is on Amazon too. I really like this for my skincare. It keeps my, it does help me with acne. And so I use this as a face wash, a face mask, and then I use this under my arms. What I do is I put it on like a loofah towel. I have these loofah towels. I have to see if I can find that on Amazon. If not, it's at Target. I'll link it as well, for the one that I have from Target. And so I'll put that on the towel, wash under my arms, let it sit for like a minute or two. They say like up to 5 minutes. This is like, I saw this recommended by a dermatologist on TikTok, and it works. So what it works with is it combats the odor under your arms. So like you don't get odorous under your arms really quickly. And I love this. So you just do it like once a week, and it gets it done. So like if you, and it's because it has benzoyl peroxide, and benzoyl peroxide attacks bacteria, and that's what it attacks for your skin for acne. So that's like a must-have hack. So, and this is like $9 on Amazon. And for Amazon Prime, and I keep mentioning Amazon Prime because you want to look out for Amazon Prime. They have them, like Black Friday is coming up and they do a really good sale. This is like $6 on Amazon Prime right now. So for Prime Day, or not on Amazon Prime, but for Prime Day, I'm sorry. So Prime Day was yesterday and it's today, 8th and 9th. And so the next one, you definitely want to be, you want to participate in, you want to shop that because you can get all your deals. This was $6 on Prime Day. So don't forget that. But either way, it's under $10. And so it's super affordable. So 2 more things that I found are on Amazon are this Nivea body lotion and this EOS body lotion. These are like, this one is really popular. Like this is an influencer must have. Everybody loves this one. This smells so good. I'm a vanilla person. I think we mentioned that before, that we love vanilla, and it's vanilla cashmere. And this is so silky smooth. It's a lot more liquidy than this one is. This one here is a game changer. So like I first bought this as, first I got it as a body cream last year, like in a sample. I can't remember how I got it as a sample in something. It was just a small little sample. It wasn't this exact one because this is the lotion. I got the body cream as a sample. And then I got the bigger one. But then like it kind of started feeling sticky and I just was like, I don't really want that. I went searching for another one. But then Keandra got this. And so we found out about this one, and it has the almond oil in it. And what I really love about this one is that when you put it on, so I don't know if you can tell, my nails are they're not very shiny, right? My whole hand is not very shiny. But I'm gonna put a little bit of this in my hand. And then, so this is about how much I'm gonna use.
It's very moisturizing.
It is so moisturizing. Like,
use it on your elbows.
Yes, definitely use it on your elbows. And I mean, it just gets that all together. Okay, so now, if you can tell, look at that reflection. Look at how much sheen my hand has. Like, look at what that does. That is so moisturizing, and it's because of that almond oil in there.
The sheen doesn't stay, but you can tell that your hands are soft.
Yes, but that is that is like a sign of the moisture.
Yeah.
So like, and my nails, while it doesn't stay this shiny the whole time, my nails still stay pretty shiny. Like they don't get dull, like before. So I love that. I love that. And then for this one's perfect for smell. This one's perfect for soft skin, like it's gonna make your skin soft. This has like, this is good for sensitive skin. And it also has, it says natural shea. So this is really good. It's very lightweight. It's not sticky. This one, the Nivea, is not sticky either. Love that. What I also found on Amazon is the Dr. Teal's Moisturizing Bath Oil. I love a good bath oil, body oil, because what I like to do is I like to take a plain lotion. I'm gonna get some of my other lotion. I have this Aveeno lotion here. I have so many lotions. But I take like a lotion like this that has not, it doesn't have very much. It's very, this one's a good one too. This is on Amazon too, by the way. And it's under $10 too. Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion, Sheer Hydration. I like to take a pump of this. So basically what I'm doing is creating this all over again. But this has like a slight smell to it. So if I'm looking for something that doesn't have an odor, doesn't have a scent to it, then this is when I'll do something like this. So like I'll take my body lotion and then I will take the oil, and then depending on how much lotion I have on in my hand, that lets me know how much oil I need. And then mix those together. And that oil is locking in the moisture at the same time that it is the moisturizer is moisturizing your skin. So, as you can see, it is nice and moisturized. So we've covered, you know, some skincare, body care, you know, beauty even. So some of the things that I found on Amazon, I've just got these shoes. I thought these were so cute. These are gonna be good for obviously the summer and the spring. If you're like me, you're still wearing sandals in the fall. And I like these because they remind me of the Christian Dior slides. They're really comfortable. They have that cushion. So these are like luxury adjacent, okay? They have the luxury look, but they're not, you know, they don't have a luxury price tag. And so if you're somebody that likes the look of luxury, so these are inspired. They're not exact dupes. I like, you know, having something that's inspired, not a replica. So it's not gonna have the Christian Dior, all of that, because, you know, we're gonna invest in the real thing, or we're gonna get things that look like it. We're not doing the replicas. These have Paris on them. And I thought that was so cute because Jolie Noire is French for pretty black, and obviously Paris, French, you know, all that. So, or Paris, France, you know, that's French is what I'm saying. I thought these were really good must-haves. Something just a good throw on that, you know, you don't mind kind of getting scuffed up and stuff like that. And then the last thing that I got are these super adorable.
Those are so
okay, these adorable slides. These are house shoes. And I love that they have this rubberized sole, because the last thing you want to do is be slipping and sliding around your house. And I love a puffy. If you guys have watched any of my Instagram reels, you will know that I have 2 pair of furry slides or house shoes, because I just love a good cozy house shoe. Actually, I have 3 pair because I have a mule style furry house shoe. And so I guess I'm just collecting them now. But yeah, I love these. They're so cute. And they are actually under $10. And so I love that. I have a whole list of things that are on my Amazon storefront for you guys to look through. I'm actually going to sort that out because right now they're filtered throughout all of my different headings. I'm gonna do an ideal list that is for Amazon finds under $10, and I'll continue to add to that for you guys so that you guys can see, because I have things that are great gifts. Like these are great gifts like for the holiday season. They're cozy, they're warm. I found this really cute jewelry box, little small zip jewelry box for like travel. I think it's really cute for a little girl. So if you have any little children in your life, like little girls with their earrings and things like that, I think that'll be perfect for something like that. But yeah, like I got this Lazy Susan style toiletry makeup round thing. I have one in my bathroom already, but I was thinking about using it for maybe like my jewelry stand. And so I have that. Like all of that stuff is under $10, and so I think that's all good. It's all great quality stuff. So yeah, take a look. I have the link down below for you to see what might be a good gift or something good for you.
So hey, Kristen 6024 saw the vlog and said that she wanted to try the pecan oat milk latte. So girl, you need to go and get you one for sure, because they are really good. And thank you so much for clowning with us and being a part of our banter, because child, it's really pecan, but Kim don't know.
No. Well, then the dictionary doesn't know either.
It doesn't.
Neither does Google, because
no.
Funny enough, our mom, she looked up the pronunciation of pecan. And those of us who say pecan, we're right. If you look it up, our mom is our, you know what, she's our educator, our teacher, first teacher. And, you know, she's not a teacher, but she taught us. And, you know, she's the one who enforced proper diction and pronunciation and things like that. And yeah, so she looked it up and it says pecan. I'm trying to see if these two colors, like this is the Fenty Rose Latte, this is the Exhibit A by NARS, this is powder, this is cream, and I was trying to see if this could set this, but this looks more pinky than this. So what do you guys think? I'm definitely getting this one today, but this looks a little too rosy and too pink. I'm not trying to change the color. I just want to set it.
So guys, I wanted the Lana, but I'm looking at the sack bag by Marc Jacobs, and it's really cute. Y'all know how Kim said that it's more so, the Lana is more so like for an older person, and she like my style is borderline. But y'all, this is really cute. Oh, let me find the mirror. This is really cute. I like this. It is current, very current. Really cute, very current, really cute. And yeah, like I've been looking for something that goes really well with my, you know, athleisure wear, and something really cute for like flights and stuff like that. Look at that, like that's cute. That is cute. Now I love the Lana. I really love the Lana, but this is so, that's bomb, y'all. That's so sleek and classic and just cute all at the same time. Look at that. I love the pebble detailing on it. That's cute. Y'all, we might be getting this one.